Hi guys, this is my tower video and a little project that you guys can do. They're not really related, but they're really cute. So I don't know how to do this. Okay, I think that'll work. Come on, stand. Okay, here's my tiny tower for Tower Tuesday. I have little origami balloons, and I thought this is fun to see how many we can stack without it falling over. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 3, 4, 5. Oh, it fell over with 5. That was so much fun. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what? Oh, it stayed, and I don't have any more than 5, so there it is. Ready? Nice. All right, next project. This is very wrinkled because I've had it a while, but this is a project that I made out of a paper plate and some shapes. So you cut out a triangle, 2, well, actually it's supposed to have 4. That's embarrassing. Okay, 2 here and 2 here. Oh, let's move this thing back up again. I'm rather embarrassed that I have a 2-legged turtle. Okay, so anyway, paper plate, 4 ovalish shaped legs, and 1 bulbish-ish, light bulb-ish shaped head. And then, this is a fancier one because I had time back in the day to make all these shapes. You can do that, you could do circles, you could do pentagons, you could do whatever. But have the kids decorate one side of the plate, and then tape, and the legs if you want. If they're cutting already, they can cut them out. And tape or glue them onto the back. And then you have a turtle. So it's Tower Tuesday and Turtle Tuesday. Ha!